answer them, and yeah, we'll go for there.
Okay. No
Cool.
worries.
So,
Everyone go?
mhm.
All right.
Tell us a little bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth, and what did your financial future look like?
Okay, so I started getting interested in investment and creating my wealth after university. My friend gave me a book which sort of started me thinking about that sort of thing, that if I just worked really hard for the rest of my life at a job, then I'd basically just be spinning my wheels. I'd never get anywhere. And so that sort of made me think, okay, there must be another way. I just wasn't sure on the implementation. And I probably spent a few too many years sort of doing my own research and trying to think of how it could be done. So yeah, when I actually came across Infinite Wealth, it was good. Like the system was there, and it was in line with what I was looking for at the time. And so it seemed just like a perfect match.
Yeah, cool. Sounds good. So what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
Yeah, I don't know if I should mention like the landmark program. I was doing that at the time, and that sort of did influence me a little bit because I knew that Tim was very much landmark. We had just gone through things like integrity, and so I knew that he was more likely to be the real deal than like just a spruiker. Because you can go out to the market. There are a lot of people who offer similar services where they'll go out, they'll buy you things, but it's hard to tell what's happening behind the scenes. But because I was working with Landmark at the time, I knew that he probably would have my best interests at heart, and like he would be genuine and actually care about his client's future rather than someone who's just in there to make the quick bucks.
Yeah.
So that was kind of what sort of pushed me towards let's give this a go.
Yeah. Cool. What has been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
As I was explaining earlier, I had two major fears with the first investment property, which were investing interstate and also with building a house, which I hadn't really considered doing before. So when Jay, my client manager, proposed that we were going to do both those things at once, I was a little bit freaked out. But no, it's actually been very painless. I did my investment through Ingenious Homes, and they were fantastic. They delivered it. That was we were just discussing in about half the time frame which they initially had proposed. And yeah, I've gone over and flown over to see the house since. Everything looks perfect. So I'm just trying to find a tenant at the moment. So things really, it was pretty painless in the end of the day.
Yeah, cool. It's good being able to go over and have a look at it and say, is it real?
Have to.
Check it out for yourself and that.
You can't buy sight unseen, so
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so how does your financial future look now?
Substantially better than it started out, because I've got two properties now. So I'm just trying to figure out how to keep going.
Keep getting more.
That's right. Well, got the third one there.
So would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
I'm pretty sure I already have. So it's like a no-brainer. I've been telling my friends to come check it out. I've got a few friends who are in the same sort of space as me. They're young professionals. They're just starting their careers, and they're trying to build up their financial futures. So to those people, I've said, definitely come to an information night. Come and if you want me to make the introductions, come to the office. No one's taken me up on it yet, but I can still keep trying. So
cool.